Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what to do if you can't open DeX on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you can't open DeX, there are two different ways of being unable to open DeX. Let's talk about the easier to fix one first. This is the one that technically you can see the screen on both your phone and your monitor if you're connected to the monitor, and it's a very easy fix. If you can see the same screen on both devices, just go to Settings app, then go to Connected Devices and go to Samsung DeX. Now go to Connected Display and select Extended. Now you're in the classic DeX mode with your monitor being sort of like computer-ish. You can also open touchpad on your phone by clicking on this rectangular icon in bottom left corner if you have it, or if you don't have this rectangular icon, you can also just slide down from the left top part of your screen to open notifications, and in notifications you'll see all of that. Now let's talk about the moment when there's nothing being displayed on the monitor and your phone doesn't recognize the monitor as the DeX. So first of all, make sure that your monitor is enabled and that the correct source is selected. Then make sure that the cable, if you're using USB-C connection, then make sure that the USB-C, because you can connect your phone to the monitor with USB-C if your monitor supports it. If your cable, your USB-C cable doesn't support data transfer, only for charging, then it just won't work, because some cables are only for charging. All cables are built differently, and there may be just that issue. So try getting a different USB-C cable that supports the data transfer, or also you may be using an adapter. Like I'm using an adapter right now. You can see this is what I have plugged into my phone, this big hub, and it has lots of different ports. One of them is HDMI, which is plugged in right here. The other one is USB-C for charging, so I can do both at the same time. It's really convenient, and it won't work in case when there is any damage to the HDMI cable. The hub doesn't work, so you may try getting a different hub or a different HDMI cable. Also seeing if your monitor works with a different device, like with a computer or a laptop. You may want to connect it with HDMI to a different computer or laptop to see if it works at all. Or you may want to try your TV instead of the monitor to see if it works, and just try maybe replacing either the adapter, the HDMI cable, or stuff like that. And that should be already working. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.